Hello everyone, welcome to Under Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing the best pirate movies ever made. There is more to the fantastic world of pirate films than the infamous Jack Sparrow. However, from the classic films of the 1930s to modern tales of sea-swept adventures, there is a pirate film for everyone. These are the greatest pirate movies of all time.
Chinatown and Tess.
The Sea Hawk. If you are looking for a movie with a plot grounded in historical events, look no further than the 1940s The Sea Hawk. In the midst of Elizabeth era, King Philip II of Spain wants to expand his empire by attacking England. He moves forward with plans to begin building a massive armada capable of defeating England's armies and takes great pains to hide his mission from Queen Elizabeth I. He sends a ship carrying his ambassador Don Alvarez to England to mislead her, which is captured by Geoffrey Thorpe, a privateer and captain of the Albatross. This wouldn't be a pirate movie without a forbidden romance, and naturally, Thorpe falls for Alvarez's niece, Donna Maria. Torn between his love for Donna Maria and his duty to the crown, Thorpe must decide where his truly loyalty lies.
1 minute, I will kill all your friends.
Captain Phillips. Captain Phillips is not your typical pirate movie set in a bygone era of sail. In fact, this film is based on a relatively recent events. This biographical thriller tells the story of the 2009 Maersk Alabama hijacking which occurred in the waters of Indian Ocean off the coast of Somalia. 4 pirates boarded and seized the ship, eventually taking Captain Richard Phillips as their hostage. Captain Phillips shows modern day piracy for what it really is, and you will come away from it feeling shocked at what the real life Captain Phillips and his crew had to endure. Hook. 1991's Hook is director Steven Spielberg's fresh take on the classic story of Peter Pan. You may remember that Peter Pan never wanted to grow up, but what would happen if he had to leave Neverland and settle down into a normal adult life? That's exactly what Hook examines, to adventurous and surprisingly heartfelt effect. In Hook, Robin Williams stars as Peter Banning, a man who has forgotten all of Peter Pan in Neverland. He is married to Wendy's granddaughter Moira, and the couple have 2 children. He's had quite a successful career as a lawyer, but he spends far too much time working and he's lost in his imaginative spark. Everything changes with the return of an enemy from his past, Captain Hook, back on the prowl. After the Peter and Moira go out one evening to have dinner with elderly Wendy, they return home to find that their children are missing. And the one clue to their whereabouts is a ransom note left by none other than the fearsome pirate captain. Pirates. 1986 Pirate begins with 2 men in a serious predicament, Captain Red, an English pirate with a formidable reputation, and Jean-Baptiste as Frog, the teenage cabin boy from his ship, are floating on a raft in open ocean with no supplies. Luckily, they are picked up by the Neptune, a Spanish ship heading back to Spain. Not so fast they are safe. Once they get on board, they find that they have stumbled onto a ship in a serious turmoil. Red and Frog discover that the ship's former cook was accused of poisoning Captain Liners, all because he wanted the treasures in the hold of himself, which just so happens to include a golden throne stolen from the king of Aztecs. Hearing this gives Red a few ideas of his own, and he decides that he will do whatever it takes to get the throne.
Nobles for lunch.
Pirates of the Caribbean: The Curse of the Black Pearl. The first installment, 2003's Curse of the Black Pearl, introduced audiences to the iconic Captain Jack Sparrow and, in so doing, changed pirate movies forever. While en route to Jamaica with his daughter Elizabeth, Governor Swan and his small crew rescues a young shipwreck survivor named Will Turner. Elizabeth notices that he is wearing a pirate medallion around his neck, and she decides to keep it so that no one else will discover his secret. Years later, when Captain Jack Sparrow steps off the mast of his sinking ship onto the docks of Port Royal, he rescues Elizabeth from drowning, but when she falls into the water, the medallion altered that doomed undead crew of the Pug Pearl to her presence. Now Elizabeth and Will are caught up in a breaking an ancient curse, and that's no telling if they will make it out alive.
Believing in ghost stories, Miss Turner.